So let's get started by setting up our test validator, and we'll get some, not Solana, Solana logs up, just so we can keep track of everything that's going on. And while this is going on, we're going to run our install script, which will compile both the program and the CLI and deploy it to our test validator. So now that that's done, which was incredibly quick actually, we can fill our wallet with some tokens and initialize our whitelist. So now that you can see that our whitelist is initialized, and we can also see that by typing info whitelist and providing the mint key. And you can see here various information about the whitelist. So now that we have that, we can see also, actually, we can also see here, rather interestingly, that the whitelist isn't available for registration yet. So let's go ahead and change that. So we'll do register, allow, and now we can have a look at the whitelist info again and see that registration is now allowed. So the next thing we'll do is we'll deposit some tokens into the vault. So we'll deposit 100 tokens, and let's have a look at the vault now. So the vault actually says there's only 50 tokens, so we can verify this as well by typing in SPL token accounts and seeing that 50 tokens have been drained from our account. Now the reason for this is that we only initialize the whitelist for allowing 5 people to register, and the program automatically realizes that, well, if there's only that many people there and they only have an allowance of 10, then you only need 50 tokens to fulfill all the orders. So it automatically sends back those excess tokens to you. So after we've done that, let's go ahead and register for the whitelist ourselves. And we can go ahead and look at our ticket information by typing in info user and providing the mint public key and our own wallet public key. Note that you can provide any public key as long as for the user public key, and it will show you information about that wallet. So we can see that the ticket owner is us, we're also the ticket payer, and we have a ticket allowance of 10. So since the registration time has been set to 0, that means that the token sale is actually ongoing at this moment. So let's go ahead and buy a token. And we can see in our info that we have bought 1 token, and we can verify this as well with our accounts, as it's now increased by 1. Let's go ahead and try and buy some more tokens. It's not that it. So token buy. And let's buy 10 tokens. Let's see what happens there. So as you can see, the buy limit is succeeded, and it's stopped us from purchasing more tokens than we're allowed to. But we could still buy, maybe less than that amount. Let's say 5, and we'll be able to see that we have bought 5 more tokens, totaling 6, and we can also verify this again with our SPL token account. There's a lot more features in this, but this video is long enough as it is already, so we'll stop there and you can take a look at the code.